Garage doors are crucial for your home's security and convenience. But like any system, they need maintenance and sometimes repairs. Understanding common garage door issues can save you time and money. Broken springs, worn cables, misaligned tracks, or a malfunctioning opener. These are all issues that require prompt attention. Ignoring them can lead to bigger problems down the line, even risking safety. Knowing when to repair versus replace your door is key. Consider the door's age, the extent of damage, and cost. And when it comes to repairs, always choose a reliable service. Check reviews, verify credentials, and get multiple quotes to ensure quality work.